to this Rolls-Royce Cullinan. They've gone to steal it. Start it up. As soon as they put it in gear to go and drive away, you'll see the car cut out, unable to drive it away. So what the customer's got to do is go through a unique push sequence. So they'll start the car. For now, we just have 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a double flash. And now we can select our gear, drive away, and the vehicle remains running. If the customer wants to take this for a service, what they'll do is go to the memory button, or sorry, mode button, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 presses once it's disarmed. And you'll see we get 5 flashes. We also come up telling us the protection system's inactive, which means the ghost is switched off. So now when it goes to Rolls-Royce, they'll start the car, put it in gear, the car's going to run and drive, they don't need the code. So now we've got it back, turn the system off, thief gets the key once you bring it home, select a gear, it's going to cut out. We're Immobiliser Fit, our number's 0208 212 7393. This is a 2020 Rolls-Royce Cullinan.